Forno Voce introduces you to the voice-activated ceiling fan with exclusive feature. The Bluetooth Voce system uses your voice to operate the ceiling fan and lights. Just issue a command and the Forno Voce will respond immediately, completely hands-free.
Forno home?
Hello.
Light high.
Sure. Light high.
Control the fan speed, lights, and volume at the command of your voice.
Fan low speed.
Fan low.
Fan faster.
Okay. Fan faster.
There is a wide range of available voice commands like faster or slower fan speed, brighter or dimmer lighting, and many more. One of the 3 pre-programmed features is the wind feature, which gives you an invigorating, randomly changing wind speed. There is also a convenient phone app that allows you to control and program your fan and lighting. There's even a scheduler that allows you to make your fan and light work on any day, anytime you need it at the exact speed and brightness you want.
Forno home?
Hello.
Lights off.
Sure.
So you can control your fan completely using your voice, your phone, or an RF remote control. The reliable brushless DC motors allow our ceiling fans to run silently and very efficiently. They cost about 1/3 to run compared to others. Installation is easy and fast. All LED lighting is included, providing years of efficient and reliable lighting. Forno Voce, brilliant, what a treat.